In the quiet town of Sparkleton lived a 10-year-old boy named Max. Now, Max wasn't your average kid. His room wasn't just filled with toys, it was a laboratory of wonders. Wires, gears, and blinking lights covered every surface. Max was an inventor, a puzzle solver, and an adventurer at heart. His greatest creation was Bolt, a robot made from an old coffee maker, a toaster, and a whole lot of imagination. Bolt wasn't just a pile of metal, he was Max's best friend. One sunny afternoon, while sorting through his grandpa's old trunk, Max found a peculiar-looking map. It wasn't paper, but a thin sheet of shimmering metal, etched with strange symbols and a single, cryptic riddle, where the sun sleeps and the river whispers. A treasure of starlight awaits the clever. Max's eyes widened with excitement. This was it, the adventure he'd been dreaming of. "Bolt," he exclaimed, "we've got a mission." Bolt's single blue light blinked enthusiastically in response. Following the map's first clue, where the sun sleeps, Max and Bolt headed west toward Sunset Hill. The riddle was tricky, but Max was a puzzle master. He realized where the river whispers meant the softest sounding part of Whispering Creek. They trekked through the woods, with Bolt's clunky feet surprisingly nimble on the forest floor. Max's heart pounded with anticipation. What could a treasure of starlight possibly be? They soon reached a small waterfall where the creek's sound was barely a murmur. Hidden behind a curtain of ivy, Max discovered a small cave. Inside, the air was cool and smelled of damp earth. The only light came from Bolt's glowing eye and cracks in the cave ceiling. Max looked up and gasped. The cracks were filled with glowing crystals that shimmered just like stars. It was a breathtaking sight. They hadn't found gold or jewels, but a natural wonder, a hidden galaxy right here on Earth. As Max gently touched one of the crystals, it pulsed with a soft, warm light. He realized the true treasure wasn't something you could hold in your hands, but a discovery to be cherished. As they headed home, with the sun setting behind them, Max knew this was just the first of many adventures. He had his clever mind, his best friend Bolt, and a whole world full of puzzles waiting to be solved. The treasure of starlight was the thrill of the journey itself. Thanks for watching our story. If you loved Max and Bolt's adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting tales. See you next time!